Meaning of glove compartment.
Glove compartment.
Glove compartment.
Glove compartment.
Glove compartment. A glove compartment is a small storage compartment located on the dashboard of a car. It is typically used to store small items such as gloves, phone chargers, and documents like insurance cards or registration papers. The compartment is usually lockable, providing a degree of security for its contents. In some cars, the compartment may also include features like a light, a cooling fan, or a USB port for charging devices. Overall, the glove compartment is a useful feature in cars, providing a convenient and accessible space for storing important items while on the road.